Hi, I just want to show you why this Audi S4 Avant V8 is such wonderful value for money. That's going to put a smile on anybody's face. And why, if you're in the market for a really good performance Audi Avant that won't break the bank but will deliver all the bangs for your bucks, you should definitely consider this car. 2015 S4 Avant Black Edition. Got all the Black Edition bits, but it's also got fantastic factory option list on top of that. And I'm going to walk you around it now. What is amazing about this car is the condition, the ownership, the service history is all perfect. Really, really nicely finished. It's a Pang blue car. It's got the rotors on it, the rotor alloy wheels. We've just had these freshly refurbished, by the way. Factory, back to factory finish, so diamond cut, satin black finish on the wheels, that slightly more modern look. Look at the condition of it, absolutely straight, no scratches, no dings down the sides, wonderful, wonderful condition. Back of the car, even the back bumper, very, very, very few marks on the back of the car. Owner that's had this car since it was 3 years old. It's only 2 owners for new, so he's had it since it's 3 years old. It's got wonderful, wonderful service history, and he's done absolutely everything correctly. Michelin tyres all round, discs all round in really good shape. This car has had the most cosseted, wonderful, wonderful servicing in its life. I'm going to tell you the mileage in a minute. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but this car's had 21 services. 21 services at an Audi main dealer, and it really shows. You drive the car, it feels so tight, it looks so good. Speaking to the owner, we purchased this car directly from the owner, not as a part exchange. We bought this for cash. This is how much we believe in this car. Only panel on the car that's ever been painted is the bonnet. He had it painted because it had stone chips. That's been nicely painted by the main dealer. It has got tiny stone chips. You get really close, you'll see them. Something you'd expect in a 50, 60,000 mile car. And actually, the only actual real mark on the car is this one down here. A little chip in the front splitter here. We've touched it in. It's really not that bad. You could have it painted if you wanted to, but we haven't done anything about it. Otherwise, stone chips on the front end, but just small stone chips, nothing horrible. Everything else looking really good. I'm not going to do a full walk down round description. We've already got a video of that in the advert, but this is just about the car overall. So really beautiful car. Quickly show you in the back. You can see how well it's been looked after. There's a boot liner in there. Underneath there, look at the condition of that mat. It's all perfect. Space saver wheel where it should be. Power tailgate. And this is the beauty. Look at this interior. Look at this. Bang & Olufsen speakers. Look at the condition of the door. I mean, there's hardly any marks on the trims. Really, you wouldn't believe this car's 11 years old. You also wouldn't believe the mileage, which I'll tell you in a second. Interior, lovely, lovely two-tone leather. Super sport seats in there. Obviously, they're electric. Folding mirrors, auto dimming rear view mirrors, flat bottom steering wheel, of course, probably standard as a Black Edition. MMI sat nav, heated front seats, piano black inlays, parking plus. Condition is absolutely sensational. You would look at this car, look at the rear. I don't think it's ever been sat in the back. You would look at this car and you're going to look at it and say, okay, it's 11 years old, been really well looked after. Has it done 50,000 miles maybe? Maybe 70, but somebody's really cared for it. Whew, you wouldn't think any more than that. Get in here, steering wheel, really nice. Really nice, hardly any wear on that. Nothing scratched inside, all the piano black looks fantastic. Look at that. Passenger seat. Again, has he ever actually carried a passenger in it? All the manuals in there. This car, I've actually got the file on my desk. I was meant to bring it down. It looks like it's got, if not all, almost all of its invoices from new. It's not just got a digital service print. This car's got all the invoices. We've kept them all. Owner's handed all the invoices over. It's pretty much all Swindon Audi service history. So we mentioned options. This is the really beautiful thing with this. I go into menu, go to car, and look at this. This car has got damping control, dynamic steering, quattro sport diff. It's got all three driver options, all the other options I've mentioned. Condition, as you can see, is wonderful, wonderful service history with all the invoices to back it up. And there's your mileage, 146,931 miles, but you would never believe it. Of course, these B8s really do sound good. Let's try and switch this off. Absolutely standard 333 horsepower supercharged engine. Stunning. Completely unmodified. All untouched under here. That really distinctive rasp from the exhaust from a V8. This car does drive so well. Steering, everything feels right. Quiet inside, no rattles, brakes perfect. And drive select. In actual fact, I'll show you suspension control. I can set that for local roads with all the rubbish potholes we've got, the comfort, or I can go to full race mode dynamic. Sport vectoring diff. We can have that in dynamic one, really twisty lanes. That's absolutely sublime. And of course, dynamic steering, which not only changes the weight of the steering, but actually changes the ratio of the steering. So in dynamic, got much more of a go-kart steer. That's going to put a smile on anybody's face. So there you have it. There's numerous reasons why you should buy this car. It is £12,450. £12,450 for an iconic Audi. Performance car, lots of power, fantastic to drive, all the driver options, wonderful spec, fantastic colour, just two owners, wonderful service history, won't get better service history. Have a look at the advert, the link in the comments in this post gives you the full details. Every single service is laid out. It hasn't missed a beat. Have a look at it. This will be gone and we won't find another one like this value. I sold a similar car 3 months ago that had done 70,000 miles for £20,000. So this at £12,500 represents fabulous value for money. Have a look at it. If you've got any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.